Hey, fellow travelers, let me ask you something. Have you ever spent hours, maybe even days, hunting for the cheapest flight or hotel, only to find out your friends somehow paid half the price for the same trip? If you've ever felt like airline websites are playing mind games with you, or you've wondered if there's some secret club where everyone but you gets the best deals, you're in the right place. Today I'm going to show you how artificial intelligence can help you outsmart those sneaky algorithms, find the absolute lowest prices, and travel more for less. Welcome to AtlasIQ, where innovation meets exploration. Stick around because by the end of this video you'll have a digital toolkit that'll make you the go-to travel hacker in your group. Now let's be honest, booking flights and hotels used to be simple. You'd call a travel agent, they'd do all the work, and you'd just show up at the airport with your suitcase and questionable fashion choices. But now, it feels like you're playing chess against a supercomputer that's determined to drain your bank account. Prices jump up and down, websites track your every move, and you're left wondering if you should clear your cookies, go incognito, or just give up and stay home. But here's the good news. The same AI that powers those airline pricing bots can actually work for you. That's right. Today we're flipping the script. I'll show you how to use AI tools to scan thousands of options in seconds, predict the best time to book, personalize your search, and even automate the whole process so you can spend less time stressing and more time dreaming about your next adventure. Let's kick things off with flights because, let's face it, that's where most of us lose sleep and money. Imagine this. Instead of opening a dozen tabs, comparing prices on 10 different airline sites, and accidentally booking a flight with a 12-hour layover in Siberia, you just send a message to an AI travel assistant. That's exactly what tools like Eddy Travels let you do. You can literally text or voice chat something like, "Find me flights from New York to Paris in July for under $500. And the AI instantly searches hundreds of airlines and travel sites, compares prices, and gives you the best options in seconds. It's like having a personal travel agent in your pocket, minus the awkward small talk. And it gets better. If you have specific preferences, like you want to leave after 3 p.m., only want direct flights, or you're traveling with a toddler and a goldfish, hey, I don't judge. Just tell the AI. It filters everything for you, so you don't have to spend hours clicking through endless options. Plus, Eddy Travels works right inside apps you already use, like Messenger, WhatsApp, Instagram, and Telegram. So you can book your dream trip while pretending to pay attention in your next Zoom meeting, multitasking at its finest. But what about timing? We've all heard that booking on a Tuesday at 3:17 a.m. during a full moon is the key to cheap flights. But who actually knows when to buy? That's where AI shines again. Apps like Hopper and KAYAK use machine learning to analyze billions of historic flight prices. They'll tell you if prices are likely to drop, or if you should book now before they skyrocket. These apps send you alerts when prices hit their lowest point, so you don't have to refresh your browser like a caffeinated squirrel hoping for a miracle. Here's a little pro tip. Set up alerts for multiple destinations. Sometimes, flying into a nearby city and taking a train or bus can save you hundreds of dollars. And AI is great at finding those hidden gems. Let the algorithms do the heavy lifting and you'll be the one bragging about your amazing deal. Now, let's move on to hotels. Because as much as we all love a good airport nap, eventually you'll want a real bed. AI hotel comparison tools like Find My Stay, Hotel Picks, and Book Hotel Maps. Viewers use advanced algorithms to sift through thousands of options. They don't just look at price, they analyze reviews, amenities, location, and even predict when prices might drop. So if you say, "Show me the best hotels in Tokyo under $100 with free breakfast and a gym," the AI will find the top options, highlight hidden deals, and even translate reviews if you're booking in another country. Google Hotels has also joined the AI party. You can now track hotel prices for your chosen dates and get an email if the price drops before you book. It's like having a deal-hunting sidekick who never sleeps. And let's be honest, we could all use one of those. But maybe you want more than just flights and hotels. Maybe you want a full itinerary, where to eat, what to see, and how to avoid that one tourist trap everyone warns you about. AI travel planners like EasyTrip AI and Google's AI overviews can build day-by-day itineraries based on your interests and budget. Just type create an itinerary for Costa Rica with a focus on nature. And the AI will suggest activities, restaurants, and even map everything out for you. EasyTrip AI is especially great for beginners. You enter your travel dates, budget, and interests, and it recommends flights, hotels, and activities, all tailored to you. It's like having a travel-savvy friend who actually responds to your texts. Now, let's talk about automation. Why do all the work yourself when AI chatbots can handle it for you? Expedia's AI assistant, for example, lets you double-check reservations, cancel bookings, or ask about breakfast options and accessibility, all through chat. No more waiting on hold, no more navigating endless phone menus. And if you're traveling with a group, AI can coordinate everyone's preferences and budgets, saving you from those dreaded group chat meltdowns where nobody can agree on anything. Of course, you don't want to miss out on last-minute deals. That's where price tracking and alerts come in. Google Flights and Google Hotels both offer price tracking. Just toggle the tracker, and you'll get notified when prices drop for your selected dates and destinations. Hopper and KAYAK offer similar features, and some even predict if prices will rise or fall, so you know exactly when to pounce. It's like having a crystal ball, but way more accurate and a lot less mysterious. Now, let's sprinkle in a few insider tips for all you tech-savvy travelers out there. First, don't be afraid to use multiple AI tools. Sometimes one app finds a deal the others miss. Be flexible with your dates and destinations. AI thrives on options, and the more flexible you are, the more likely you'll score a bargain. Always check for hidden fees before booking. AI is smart, but airlines and hotels can be sneaky, so double-check those final prices. And finally, always compare reviews. AI can summarize the pros and cons, but it never hurts to read a few real traveler experiences before you commit. The best part? The more you use these tools, the better they get at understanding your preferences. Over time, your AI travel assistant will know exactly what you like, making your future trips even smoother and cheaper. Let's do a quick recap. With AI, you can find the cheapest flights and hotels by using chatbots like Eddy Travels for instant searches, apps like Hopper and KAYAK to predict the best time to book, and hotel comparison tools like Find My Stay and Hotel Picks to uncover hidden deals. Google Flights and Hotels help you track prices and get alerts, while EasyTrip AI and Google's AI Overviews can build personalized itineraries. And with AI assistants like Expedia's, you can automate bookings and support, making the whole process a breeze. Mix and match these tools, and you'll be the person everyone asks for travel advice. You'll save money, avoid stress, and maybe even have a little fun along the way. Plus, you'll have more cash left over for the important things, like street food, souvenirs, or that extra dessert you definitely deserve. So the next time someone brags about their cheap flight or fancy hotel, just smile because you know the real secret. If you learned something new today, or if you have your own AI travel hacks, drop them in the comments below. I love hearing your tips, tricks, and wild travel stories. And hey, if you want to keep leveling up your travel game with the latest tech, AI, Bitcoin, new apps, and more, don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe to AtlasIQ, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a video. AtlasIQ, where innovation meets exploration. Thanks for watching. Safe travels, keep exploring smarter with tech, and I'll see you in the next adventure.